Hello everyone. This is the final project presentation for CMPE285 and the project is Stock Portfolio Management Engine. My name is Akshay Joshi along with my teammates Han and Athwan. Portfolio Management Engine is a system where user can log in and track the investment which he has made till now, also buy in new stocks if he has to. Uh, Let me walk you through the overall system architecture. Whenever user enters the system, uh, if the user is new, he will sign up. If the user already has an account, he will log into the system. In either of the cases, the user will be redirected to a current investment page. This current investment page has a nice tabular as well as a graphical representation of the current investment. Uh, the table will show the all the stocks which the user has bought in till now, along with the quantity and the current value for those stocks. Along with that, the graph will show in the 5 day history of overall portfolio of the user. Now, once the user views the current investment page and he selects to buy in more stocks, then the user is redirected to finance analysis engine. This engine asks the user to select the investment strategies and the amount of which the user wants the investment to make. Now, this financial analysis engine applies a round robin algorithm and allocates the stocks as per the investment strategy selected. After that, there is a report page which again shows how your money is allocated among different stocks. Also, the 5 days stock status history for the current investment which the user made. So, along with the historic investment, we also have the feature to show in the history of current investments. So these are few of the features implemented in the system. Uh, System allocates your money in different investment strategies and stocks which the users select. System uses round robin algorithm to allocate stocks based on investment strategies. Get the detailed information about the stocks the user chooses, and have your investment plans recorded in the database. And the website could show your 5 day history of the plan. Now, these are some of the extra features which we have in our system, where user could see how the money has been allocated to different stocks. We also have the sign up and sign in functions which could support multiple users. Uh, we have the database on AWS, so people do not need to build the database locally and run the system locally. It's all centrally maintained. We also support multiple time investments. For example, a user can log in multiple times. User can buy uh, multiple stocks multiple times, and all this will be recorded and will be shown to the user. Now, for the challenges which we faced as a team for developing this project is learn how to deploy MySQL on AWS. We did good amount of research on it, and we found that RDS on AWS is the easiest way where we can implement a database centrally. So we implemented it. Then one of the major challenge was integrate MySQL to Python. As we all are new to Python, we faced many challenges while connecting MySQL to Python. We used MySQL DB package of Python to connect Python and MySQL. Then one challenge specifically which we would like to mention is doing a commit after a DML query. So when we didn't knew that we have to commit, there were multiple issues which we faced. The entries in the database weren't getting updated, and then we did a bit of research, and then we found out that we need to do commit after every DML query. uh, Then one of the other challenge was uh, how to form a website in Flask framework. So we had like multiple frameworks, and we did a research on them, and we found out that as the scope of our system was not too huge, and our system was not hybrid enough, we used Flask as it is easy to implement, and it was a challenge to link the front end and the back end and make the website work. Also, we had challenges using Yahoo and Google Finance APIs. There were times when the Yahoo API, the Yahoo Finance API would go down, and the system would behave abruptly. So we learned out of all that, and we evolved with this system. Now the section further will show you few test cases which we used while testing our system. Thank you.
So this is the financial engine web page. So here you can see the investment details and the company portfolio, like per user portfolio, and also the login sign up page. So our first test case is to verify that the application is allowing the user to sign up for the account. So we will see how to sign up for the account. In the right corner there is a sign up button. You have to click there, sign up, and then it asks for the username, password and the email address. So I will print my name, I will print a password, and I will enter my email ID. So once you finish entering the details, we have to click on the sign up page. So this sign up page will directly gives you into the your user page. So here you can do the things. The next test case is the login test case. So this allows the user, makes the user to log in into the already existing user to log in into the web page. So here we see, click login, enter the details as you have created earlier, click login. So it has entered in your page. The next test case is the logout test case, so which allows the user to for the user to log out of the application. So here you can see the logout has been working, and it is come to the front page which shows the login and the sign up page again. This test case is to verify that the application allows the user to select one investing strategy and also input the sum amount of investment dollars, and then we will see the output of that. So first click the financial engine. So finance analysis engine. So click on it. It will show you the web page which asks the user to enter the investment amount here. So let me invest an amount of random amount of about $8,000, and then it allows the user to select the investing strategies. So for this test case I will select one investing strategy which allows me to which displays the stocks that belong to the investing strategy. So Apple, Adobe and Nestle are the stocks that belongs to this investing strategies. Then I will click generate engine report. So this, what it does is, in the back end it gets all these data and then performs the analysis, gets the investment amount, and then it will allocate the amount to each of the stocks according to round robin scheduling, and then it will display the total amount of value and also the left amount which we cannot which we cannot use it for purchasing another stock. So this is displayed in the total spent amount. So out of $8,000, $7,997 is spent. Left amount is $2.5, and then the investment detail displays the each company along with the price, the percentage change, and the number of shares that are allocated to each of the stocks, so that it, with the available money we are able to buy it, and the total value of the stocks. total value of each of the company stocks. So we can see here the each of the current price is $113 and for the Adobe is 104. It is displayed directly from the Yahoo Finance application, and then this is the percentage change with the previous value, and then this is the quantity of number of shares which are currently allocated, we allocated, and then the total value which is the price into the quantity. And then the next thing is we display the 5 days portfolio of the particular stocks, of the whole stock actually. So the day one displays the total amount which the user would have costed. So if he bought it the day one, and then the day two, day three, so the past 5 days portfolio. So this has been represented in the graph form. So the next test case is the application allows to user to select two investing strategies. So we can see that. So before that we can log into the application, and right now it sees, you can see that previous data. The next thing you have to do is click in finance analysis engine and enter some amount of around $7,500, and here we can select two investing strategies, see what is the result, and click generate engine report. So here you can see that in the investment details, the investment amount is $7,500 and the total amount spent is 7485. So what we have done is we have listed all the 6 stocks that corresponds to the two investing strategies. So we display the price, the percentage change condition, and the quantity. So since this is a diversified portfolio, we have not taken any additional measure to allocate the stocks. We have actually found out the algorithm to allocate it round robin, so that the risk of allocating the stock will be divided among all the stocks. So we have selected that method to allocate the stocks, allocate the quantity to each of the stocks. So we have allocated like 7, and then we can see the total value of each of the things, and then this displays the same as the 5 days portfolio. So you can see in the application, and then once it has been displayed, the user can log out of the application.
Now we are trying to invest 5 different strategies in this finance analysis engine. And the same thing, we click it here, finance analysis engine. And here we suppose we are trying to invest $10,000 and all the 5 different types of strategies. And then we generate the engine report. It may take a long time because we need to check so many different stocks through the Yahoo Finance and how to calculate how to allocate the money. So it may take a long time. And here we could see the result. The total investment amount is $10,000 and we spent $983.3 and left $16.7. And here we could see there are like 15 different type of stocks here, and with price, conditions, quantities of 4 or 5, and the total value here. And also we could see here is the 5-day profit, or just like the previous one, like this is today. If we investment here is $9,993.059, and this is the last 4 days. And we could see this is the highest since everything. Most of the stocks are rising high, so people are happy with their stocks. Yeah, and then let's see the next case is about how to track the user's history. Like just we could see that I log in with Han Chen just before, and I see nothing in the homepage. But if I log in right now, it will take some time because the engine is reading the database and try to access the current stock values with Yahoo Finance engine. And we could see that this is just the past we have investment. The total value is about $10,000 and everything are the same. So the next thing we are trying to detect is the test case for continuous investment, like we are going to invest more money, like certain money with just growth investment and index investment strategies. And here we click the generate engine report. And here we could see they are almost the same we investment here, and we could remember the quantity here is 1918 or something like that, and there is 5 days profit. And then we go back to the home page. Yeah. And just wait for a minute, the database is refreshing and fetch data. And we could see here the total value here is changed to 24 is 4 plus 19, so you could see it's just around this data. And you could see here the total value is 10,000, 18,000 is the 10,000 plus 8,000, so together is this value. So they are right. And now we also need to validate some robust input, like if we input like $4,000 inside it and choose one strategy, and we can see if the value should be larger than 5,000. And then if we like try to investment $6,000, but we chosen non-strategy, and then we try again. You have to choose at least one strategy at least, and then this link will redirect you back to the home. Yeah. The last two test cases for validation, and we could see that this is our home page. And when we sign up, we suppose we sign up the same username and just add previous. This is Han Chen, so I just say the same thing, a different email, like yeah, let me see. And here you could see that your username has been registered. And also, if we try to like access the finance engine with this URL, like you could see the currently sign in before proceeding further, because you are not logged in, so you cannot access the finance analysis engine. Yeah. So this is all for our test case. Thank you for watching.